Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Harvard Business Review account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in hbr.org, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Harvard Business Review. You'll be able to find various options over here. If you want to sign in to your account, simply click on the sign in option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be led to the sign in interface. If you do not have the account yet, you can create one for yourself by simply clicking on this option, create one. Otherwise, you can simply sign in to your account. All you have to do is provide your email and password. So click on the field of email and enter your email address over here. You can see over here I have already entered it. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. Now after you enter the credentials, what you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Harvard Business Review account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.